Namaste friends. In this video, I would like to discuss about a case study regarding property purchase. Now, before we analyze the chart, I want you to go through the text that I received from the client here. From the message, it's clear that the client wants to know whether he can go for construction on a plot which he owns or he should buy an apartment. Also note the text here, it says high-end apartment. The reason I'm showing you this is every single keyword that is mentioned here is very important when you analyze a chart. Whenever the discussion of property purchase comes up, the fourth house becomes very important, which means we have to check the fourth cuspal sublord. The first step in KP is to analyze the cuspal sublord, which in this case is Venus. The fourth cuspal sublord is Venus, and we have to see whether there is a promise for property made or not before we analyze any further. Now that we know that the fourth cuspal sublord is Venus, let's see what is Venus actually giving us. Venus is in the 11th house and owns 1 and 6. The star lord is Mercury, but we also have to keep in mind that Venus is an untenanted planet. Since Venus is untenanted, it is capable of giving the results quite strong, and Venus is signifying 11th house. But before we jump to conclusions, we also need to know what is the sublord telling us. Sublord for Venus is Venus itself, which again signifies 11. So we can conclude that there is a promise regarding property purchase. Venus naturally signifies luxury. You can see that the client used the words high-end apartment. So this also helps us in birth time rectification. So since the fourth cuspal sublord is Venus and the client also used words related to Venus, we can say that the birth time is accurate in this case. Whether the client goes for construction or he buys an apartment, irrespective of the decision, the client will definitely have a luxury property. Now, before we can give him any kind of advice, whether to go for construction or buy a property, we should look at the fourth house as well. You can notice here that the fourth house has a negative aspect from Mars. Mars represents land. So constructing a house could actually create problems for the client. So instead, my recommendation to the client was you can go ahead and buy this apartment. Of course, I am not covering other aspects such as transit, or the client also wanted to know about loans. In this particular video, we will just stick to analyzing the promise and seeing which is a better option for the client. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.